Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 71 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is reviewed flags of top videos, and this question got asked in Google. Okay, so the question is for the video or videos that received the most user flags, how many of these flags were reviewed by YouTube? Output the video ID and the corresponding number of reviewed flags. Ignore flags that do not have a corresponding flag ID. Okay, so in this question, what we have to do? We have to find out first that what are the videos that has received most user flags. Once we have found out those videos, then we have to find out how many of those flags were reviewed by YouTube. Okay, and then we have to show the video ID and the number of reviewed flags. Okay, so first of all, what we are going to do, as mentioned, we are going to find out the number of flags received by the videos. Okay, so to do this, what we are going to do, we are going to first see the table. So let's see the table. We have two tables given here. First is user flags. So in this, we have user first name, last name, video ID, and flag ID. And second is flag review. In this, we have flag ID reviewed by YouTube or not, review date, and reviewed outcome. Okay, so we are going to use the first table, and from this, we are going to find out number of video and the number. We are going to find out videos and the number of flags received on those videos. Okay, so that is the first step. So let's do this. This is the table. So here I'm going to write down. It is going to be video ID, comma, count, star. And this is going to be from user flags. Okay, let's name this as total flags. Okay, from user flags. And let's put the condition just to be sure that flag ID is not null. Okay, and we are finding what? We are finding for each video number of flags. Okay, so we are doing it for unique videos. So we are going to do group by on video ID. Okay, let's run this. So here we have these videos and the number of flags received on each video. Okay, so this is what we have. Now we are going to find out only those videos on which the number of flags were maximum. Okay, so to do this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use CT with CT as, and here I'm going to write down select star from CT. Let's run this. Okay, now next what we are going to do, here we are going to write down this is our table that we are saying video ID and the total flags. We have to find out those videos that have received maximum number of flags. So I'm going to write down select video ID from CTE, where we have to only take the maximum one. It can be one video or two videos or multiple videos, but we have to take the maximum one only. So I'm going to write down where total flags, which is our column name, is equal to, I'm going to use subquery. So I'm going to write down select maximum of total flags from CT. Okay, so what this is going to give? This is going to give us the count that what is the maximum value in total flag. Okay, and then we are finding out those videos which has received total that value. Okay, so this is going to give us those videos which has received maximum number of flags. Okay, let's run this. So yeah, these two are the videos that has received maximum number of flags. Now we have found it out. Now next what we have to do, we have to find out how many of these flags were reviewed by YouTube. So these two have received maximum number of flags, but out of those flags, how many were reviewed by YouTube? Okay, so in reviewed by YouTube column, we have values as 0 and 1. If 1, that means it got reviewed by YouTube. If 0, it doesn't got reviewed by YouTube. So we have to find out only those flags that got reviewed by YouTube. So to do that, what we are going to do, we are going to use the CT. So I'm going to write down CT to as select star from CT2. Let's run this. We are going to get the same values. Okay. Here, what I'm going to do, let me remove this CT2. We have two tables, right? User flags and user flag review. This is what we saw in the beginning. So I'm going to first join these two tables. Okay. So I'm going to write down select star from user flags. Let's name this as U. Join flag review. Let's name this as F on it. This common column was flag ID. So I'm going to use the same thing. U dot flag ID is equal to F dot flag ID. Right. Next, what I'm going to do, this is what we have done. Okay. Till here. Let me do one thing. Let me put some column here. Let's U dot video ID, comma. Let's name this as count star. Let's run this. So yeah, see. Let me run this much only. Okay. Sorry, I have to put group by U dot video ID. Let me run this much only. Okay, so it is again giving what? It is giving us video ID and its total count. We have joined these two tables on the same column name, that is flag ID, and it is giving us total count. Now here what I'm going to put a condition that is where F dot reviewed by YouTube, okay, is equal to, so reviewed by YouTube equal to 1. So now I'm only taking those flag values that got reviewed by YouTube. Okay, so still it is for the these two tables. Okay, let's run this. So now you see the count has decreased because some of the videos got reviewed and some of the videos doesn't got reviewed. Okay, now see, if you remember from here, from this query, we got two videos. Okay, and here we are getting the values for all the videos, but we have to only get the values for those two videos that we received from this part of the query. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put another join here. Okay, I'm going to write down join. This is CT2, right? So I'm going to write down CT2. Let's name this as C2 on U dot video ID, because we had the video ID only. So we are going to join on video ID. U dot video ID is equal to C2 dot video ID. Okay. So now we are only getting it for those two video IDs that we received from this part of the query. Okay. That on those two videos, how many flags got reviewed by YouTube and its count. Okay. So let's run this. Yeah. So this is what we are getting. These are the two video ID and these are the count, and this count represents number of flags that got reviewed by YouTube. Okay. So yeah, this is the query. We have solved this. Now let's see the expected output. Expected output is also matching. So now let's submit our solution. Our solution got submitted, so our query is correct. So this is how we have solved this problem. First, we found out number of flags on each video. Then we found out those videos which have received maximum number of flags. And for those two videos, we did the join to find out the number of flags that get reviewed by YouTube. Okay. So this is what we have done to solve this problem. Hope you understood it. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.